should you have a problem with your Secure Glide roller garage door. The status LEDs on the new Somfy Rollixo panel will help you diagnose what the issue may be. If light number 1 is illuminated, it suggests there is an issue with the safety brake and or motor. You will then need to contact your installer to resolve it. Should light number 2 be flashing, this suggests that the bottom slat transmitter has run out of battery. Should light number 2 have a solid red light, it suggests that the bottom safety edge has an issue. In both of these cases, you can click and hold the control panel to operate the door. To replace the battery in the bottom slat transmitter, first remove the 4 screws at the bottom of the cover. Then, pull the cover face off from the bottom. The battery required is a 3.6 volt lithium battery. The bottom slat transmitter will flash green to show that the power has been restored, and then go a solid green to show that it's communicating with the Rollixo panel. Finally, replace the cover and add the 4 screws. If light number 3 is illuminated, that suggests there's a problem with your auxiliary port. You'll need to speak to your installer to get this resolved. If light 4 is illuminated, this suggests there's a problem with the photocell. Ensure there are no obstacles between the photocell and the reflector, while also making sure the reflector is correctly positioned. Should the light stay on, speak to your installer to get this resolved.